Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the ringtone on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or a different Android-based phone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the settings gear button. And you want to go down and select sound and vibration, and then scroll down underneath phone ringtone. Go ahead and select that. And then you can select from any of these categories here by just clicking on them. And then you can select any ringtones you can play around with and try them out. By selecting them, you can hear a little sample of it. You would select save at the top to save it, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.